Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word prognosis, its meaning, definition and the example. Prognosis. The definition of prognosis is the predicted outcome of a disease and the chances of recovery. The synonyms of prognosis are diagnosis, prediction, acromegaly, prospect. Now let me show the example of prognosis. Word in sentences are: your cat's overall health and age greatly affects the prognosis. The prognosis remains guarded for puppies even with the best medical care. Patient prognosis and survival was best predicted by tumor histology. Any medical condition for which you have received a terminal prognosis. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.